Qualcomm has lost a ton of market share in China because of the Huawei sanctions. Well, after Huawei's sanctions, actually towards the end, Huawei was doing its own chips alongside TSMC. They were making the high silicon stuff, so they weren't actually even buying from Qualcomm. But a lot of other brands were buying from Qualcomm for the Chinese market. Brands like Xiaomi, brands like Oppo, just mentioned. A lot of them have now moved to MediaTek, the Taiwanese-based brand of processors, because of the sanctions making it difficult to get their hands on Qualcomm hardware, and because the MediaTek stuff has gotten better from a price-to-performance ratio. Qualcomm's shipments in China shrank 48.1% year on year. And you got to believe that Qualcomm's not super happy about that. You got to believe they're probably going to pick up the phone and call Mr. Joe Biden and say, you remember the guy with the Mac Pro that was in that office before? Yeah, he had a few sanction things going. Don't worry about it. Don't ask too many questions. We got a way better plan. Hear us out. And all of a sudden, stroke of the pen, and they're back in the market. I don't know. But there are other factors at play. The landscape has changed. Competition has changed. And Qualcomm's got a lot. They're going up against a lot of heat right now, coming from all angles. And whether that's the Chinese market or everywhere else, I mean, they make good stuff, but it's just a lot of heat going on right now. And MediaTek is one of those companies who gobbled up a lot of that business inside of China, at least. They took #1 spot. Taiwan's MediaTek benefited from all that pent-up demand. The chip designer took advantage of both Huawei and Qualcomm's woes, and also got major Chinese smartphone makers to use its chips. Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, and Huawei. The MediaTek share has increased a lot. So there's always some next company standing by waiting, Will. Waiting for their big opportunity.
Ready to snatch that business.
That's right. There you go. You got it.